It is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the new Estelle Cloud Planner in Pearl, and I am obsessed. You guys might have seen me on Instagram already drooling over it. I am so excited about this planner release because it is so pretty. Tiki has been showing me different samples of this swatch color of planner of the vegan leather for probably like 3 months, and I have just been like dying to see it in person. It finally came today and I'm so excited for it. It is so beautiful. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys compared to the planner that I'm using currently. So this is what I've been using in my like memory keeping spreads, and I have been loving it. So whenever I filmed the Cloud Planner video before, which I will link down below, I had known about this planner for about 3 months, but I honestly hadn't used it yet because it had just come in and I wanted to start on January, like the first week of January, and I have been loving every dang second about it. It is just my life, and everyone that I know, like all of my friends who have one, are also in love with it. It just makes planning so much more enjoyable. And then these inserts are life. Estelle Tiki does sell these inserts as well. They are linked on the homepage of her website, I believe, but I'm also going to link them down below so you guys know exactly what I'm using. I am using a Cloud, and then I'm using these inserts here. So I am obsessed. As you guys know, if you guys have been watching my plan with me, so you also know that I've been obsessed, and that's all I've been able to talk about is how much I love my Cloud. I love everything about the Cloud, and I'm like here for the Cloud for forever. So now Tiki has come out with a new color. This is the pearl with the gold hardware. I believe this is coming out today. I'm going to leave release information down below, but I wanted to show you guys compared to the black. Like, this is like more of a flat color, and then this has a sheen. I wouldn't necessarily call it a metallic, just because I feel like metallics can sometimes be like very glitzy, but this is more of like a chic kind of, it's like a subtle glow. It looks like a glow. It doesn't look like a highlighter. Like if you put highlighter on your face, this is kind of what you want it to look like if you just like put like highlighter on your like collarbones. This is what it looks like, and I am here for it. It's like you took white and then you put highlighter on it, and I'm so excited. Like makeup highlighter, not like a marker highlighter, but I'm in love with it. Like I said, it is releasing, I believe, today. I'm gonna leave the release information down below. Follow Estelle on Instagram as always for all of the official information, and I'm in love with it. If it does sell out today, which I feel like it probably will, she is going to be having more come in very soon. They are already ordered. I believe they've already shipped, and they are the pearl with silver hardware. Now, normally I am a gold girl. Like, give me the gold, here for the gold, because especially with the black, I feel like it really oomphs it. But here, I feel like the star of the show is the sheen on this. So I feel like with either gold, if you get it today, or if you don't get it today, go for the silver. I feel like the real star of the show is this highlighted looking sheeny pearl color. So that's my thought process there. Like I said, if it does sell out today, definitely get your ninja fingers out for that silver. But I wanted to do, I feel like I keep moving this out of frame, but I'm like, no, look at it. It's beautiful. So I wanted to do like a quick little overview again. Like I said, I already have another video with like a full explanation of everything, but this is just the same exact thing as the rest of the Clouds, and it does have the hybrid system. So you have the rings, which are A5 rings. The planner is just wider to accommodate the A5 wide inserts, and it does have strings. If you don't want to use the strings for TNs, pouches, or whatever you may have, you can cut them out. You could take them out. You could use, you could put little charms down on the bottom, whatever you want to do. Ton of pockets over here for decorating, which I am super excited about because I'm going to be keeping my inserts in these planners. So whenever I'm done with the year, they will be assigned a color planner, and they will live in here for the rest of their lives. And that is probably actually the #1 asked question. So we'll segment over to that quickly. My #1 asked question, which I didn't even expect this to be a question. I don't know why. It just never came to, like, I never even like crossed my mind, is what do you do with your inserts whenever you're done with the year? So I am just honestly taking this as like my coil and my cover of like my Erin Condren used to be, but this is 100 times prettier in my opinion. I do know some people do prefer spirals, but whenever I look over at my bookshelf and I see all of my leather, vegan leather planners, and then I see the spirals, the spirals look very messy to me, and I am trying to figure out a way, which if you guys have any information on, let me know down below, of ideas that I can take my old Erin Condrens and put them in here without having to do like the washi tape with punching holes situation. Because I look over and I'm just like, all of the rings, and they're like, and the chunk is like visible, and like the sides are all like tattered because they're not as like, I feel like this has a little bit more of like a protection window, whereas that one is just like they're everywhere. But I'm gonna actually insert a video, and this will be of all of my like leather planners on my bookshelf, and then I'll like segment over to all of my ring planners on the bookshelf. And I think the difference in the cost for me is worth it whenever you think of it as a price per year situation, the difference of the cost. Because I know that like my Erin Condren, because I always get them whenever they come out, and like if you were buying it regularly, I always would go for the 12-month planner with the foil cover, and then I do 18 months and cut 6 months out because I need that thicker coil, because she gets thick. I could actually use a thicker coil on most of them, and then I pay extra for like the $10 I think for there being a black coil. So I think it ends up being like $80-ish, $80, $70, $80, somewhere around there. And then for the Aura Estelle planner, it is $80 for the cover, and then if you do the 2 packs of inserts, which is about a year, I think it's like 2 weeks less. I think she's gonna be fixing that in the next round of inserts to make them like exactly half of the year. I think it's $20 then for those 2 packs, and then that equals $100. So for like the $20 to $30 difference, I would much rather have this as my planner than the coil. But of course, if that's like something that you're like trying to find an alternative for, I know a lot of people are thinking about putting their inserts in a box, binding them, taking them to Staples and ring coiling them. Just for me personally, I just think that the time that I put into my planner, I would spend even a little bit more to kind of have something that looks nicer to look back on. And especially with all these pockets that I could decorate, I could put pictures in. I was thinking about making like a little like scrapbook album that I could put pictures in that would fit in here perfectly, and I could have like, you know, all my plans, and then like go through at the end of the year and get all the pictures for the year and put them in the little album and stick them here, or even just like get something and stick it in here. And I was just thinking of all the different things that I could do with this and kind of make it like, I don't know, I just think it'll be a little bit more special, and it just, I don't know, it feels like, you know, in a couple of years when I look back at it, or even 10 years when I look back at it, I don't know, this is just going to feel like really, really luxe, especially for, like I said, the time and the money of like the different things that I've spent in here, like in the inserts, like all the stickers, you know, 2+ hours a week on planning. I'm fine with the cost difference. And I think that it is really worth it whenever you think about it in like the year terms. But like I said, that is just me. So that's my thought on that. But like I said, you know, if that's not something that you can do or that you want to do, there are other options that people have been discussing. I haven't seen any of them executed yet, but I'm sure, you know, when these planners have been out for a year, people will come up with some different ideas. But I know she's going to be coming out with some gorgeous colors over the next year. I have been talking with Tiki, and there's some cool stuff coming. This is one of my favorites for sure, and also the black and also the pinks. Oh, there's so many. There's so many. But love this one, Pearl. And I do have another section of this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, I was going to do a whole video with lots of questions, but it's just kind of me waving my hands around talking. So leave me questions down below, and I'm going to try and answer as many as I possibly can. And then I do have another section of this video that I did film a while ago, but I do want to just throw it in because I think it was comparing colors possibly. But that is everything for this section. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I will be right back. It is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with another Aura Estelle planner video, the Cloud. Isn't this so pretty, like aesthetically pleasing? I just wanted to go over all of the current Aura Estelle colors with you guys. These did sell out in just a couple of days. It was like the first launch of the Aura Estelle Cloud Planner, and I'm so excited that you guys are as excited as I am about this planner. I think by this time, you might have seen me plan in my planner. I'm not sure. I'm filming this a little bit early just so that I have this bit done. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the different colors. As you can see, these are all of them compared to each other. So especially if you have one of these already, you can kind of see like how the colors compare to other colors. Or you could just kind of see them all like next to my hand maybe. I tried to think of something to compare them to, but it's just so hard because I feel like I don't have something that like everybody else could be like, oh yeah, that makes sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the different colors with you guys and kind of tell you my thoughts on all of the colors. Just a little spoiler, I love them all, and I am just like so excited to be planning in these. Two of them are for me, one for my work planner, one for my like planning planner, my rewind plans, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and go into it. So this one here, I'm pretty sure this is going to be my memory planner, and this one is called First Blush. Let me zoom you guys out just a little bit. So this one is called First Blush. It's a really pretty, like, muted, like, almost like a mauve pink color. It's a really nice pink. Sometimes when I order things online, hoping that they're this pink color, they never are. So I feel like it's just that perfect pink. I can go ahead and show you guys what I have in here currently. I have some Estelle inserts that I'm using. I also have some that I printed from Justenia, and then I do have like a pen, a little dot marker, so like it has like a little like dome tip so I can make like bullet points in different sizes. And then over here I do have just a bunch of different stuff. Some like Once More with Love stickers, different stickers and die cuts and washi cards and things like that, because I actually use this and I carry it in my backpack every day. So I just love that one, and that one is going to be, well, this one's actually my memory planning one, but currently has my work stuff in it. So all of my work stuff is going to go into this black beauty here. This one is called Black Cashmere, and this is going to be my work planner, and this is going to be a memory planner. I'm actually going to switch these afterwards. Then this one here is called Cream Puff, and this is a really pretty, super muted pink. It's kind of like if nude and pink had a baby. So this is compared to First Blush. This one is way more pink, and this one's just it kind of reminds me of really mature, like very muted nude pink. So this is that one. This is super pretty. Love that one. So let's go ahead and close her up. Then this one wasn't released because she didn't have a really big stock quantity of them, but I know she plans on releasing in the future. And then this one is called Black Cashmere. Well, it's Black Cashmere with gold hardware. So the current one that she released previously was Black Cashmere with silver hardware, but this has the gold rings, the gold button, and things like that, and I just love this so much. She didn't have enough to release them the first round, but I hope she's releasing these in the future because they are beautiful. And like I said, this is going to be my work planner, and I have a cute setup idea planned for it. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. This one here is called Enchanted Indigo. I think this was the first one to sell out, which I think Tiki was pretty amazed because normally pinks sell out of everything first. So for this really gorgeous indigo blue to sell out first was like a really big surprise. But I think especially when you see it in person, like it's even better than the pictures. Even Jessica, I sent her hers tonight because I had hers for the other video, and she was like, oh my goodness, I'm like caressing it. Like, I love this planner. It's so beautiful in person. So this is a really gorgeous color. Like, I feel like, honestly, I kind of want one for myself. This is actually Emily's planner. Emily and Jessica are both going to be using the blue one, and I think it goes with both of their aesthetic. Jessica really just is like this blue kind of mermaidy color, and then Emily really likes like galaxy and like kind of like spacey colors, so that one's super cute. Then this one here is called French Gray. So this is a really pretty, like it's like a mauve gray, like almost like a taupe gray. And this is the one actually Kirsten is going to be using for her planner this year. We did get Kirsten on the cloud train, so really excited about that. And this one's just a really pretty gray. Again, this one's like also, like all of these colors are very sophisticated. Even I think the blue is probably the most wild, but it's still very sophisticated and just like pretty dainty and beautiful. And I just feel like all of them, I feel like aren't like, I think you could carry this around and it's not like in your face like crazy. Then the last one I have here to show you guys, which is so pretty, so pretty, and this is called Sweet Cashew. Did I call the other one Sweet Cashew? Because that one was Cream Puff. Because I am looking at the screen and I think I might have. No, I'm pretty sure I called the other one Cream Puff. But this is Sweet Cashew, and it's a really pretty nude color. This is more of a true nude. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys next to Cream Puff. Next to Cream Puff, you could definitely see the pink in this and then the true nude in that. I'll go ahead and show you guys it against the French Gray. so you guys can kind of see the color difference. This is a really pretty nude color. Love this one so much. I mean, I just like them all. I honestly, like, I'm really happy with all the colors, and I have given her suggestions for future color releases, but these are all of the colors that were available with the first release, and I am just in love with each and every one of them. And like I said, I'm going to be using the black and gold, which was not released, but the black and silver was released, as my work planner. And then this one, which is pretty chunked up already, is going to be my memory keeping spreads. Just gonna move over the insert. So I just wanted to show you guys a little clip of all of the different colors.